Og så mine damer og herrer, så er det jo næsten overflødigt at se det, men alligevel. Og jeg nævner det danske program. Er I med på det?
Presrećan sam što smo uspjeli ponovo nakon 5 godina da pobjedimo Dansku pred ovim predivnim ambijentom. Čestitam Danskoj na igri i posebno mojim djevojkama koje su pokazale nevjerojatan karakter i kvalitet.
Yes, first of all, congratulations to Montenegro with the win. I also think it was a good game for the spectators. A lot of physique, a lot of great goals, 2 great goalkeepers. So that's what handball is about, and we are of course not satisfied, but we can look forward now to the next match with a better feeling than last game against Hungary. Thank you.
Yes, and the word is now for Andrej Klikovac.
Prije svega želim da se zahvalim Danskoj na odličnom meču. Stvarno, atmosfera je bila predivna. Čestitamo im sa igračicama na odličnoj utakmici. Odigrali smo jednu strašno tešku utakmicu za nas. Odigrali smo jednu mnogo tešku utakmicu za nas. Imali smo puno grešaka u odbrani, ali smo sve to ispravili nekim našim zajedničkoj saradnji.
Yes, I would also like to say congratulations to Montenegro. I think it was a very good match. I think we had a very tough match with a lot of good defense in both ends. I think, you could see that it was a great fight from both teams, and I think we played a hard match today, and
Okay, any questions in English, please?
Mr. Brown. There's a big difference between first half and the second half today. What was the difference?
First of all, we do not make so many technical errors in second half as we did in first. I think our offense is more calm in the second half, and we get the Montenegro's players to move a lot more, especially in the middle, so that we get bigger chances.
What was wrong in the first half?
Too many technical mistakes and too many great chances that we did not score on.
You said you have the feeling now that you're kind of back on track. Not really. But does the second half give you some? What do you say?
It's of course a better feeling than the last game against Hungary, where there was a lot of things that didn't work like we wanted to. Today, I think almost the whole game, our defense. Of course, we make mistakes, but it's better, and we get the Montenegro players to do what we wanted to. I think a few times Bulatovic had too much space in the middle, but that's the way it is when she's a great player like she is.
You were praising Anna Mette Hansen the other day, and what do you think of her performance today?
I think that the 8 goals that she makes speaks for itself.
For Mr. Brun, I remember that you before the World Championships talked about you would like to avoid Sweden in the next game. But now you're facing them. What are your feelings towards that?
It's okay. We can see that it has been a tough match against between Holland and Sweden. So if the one or the other came, it makes no difference now. We have to concentrate on Sweden and not think about what we wanted before.
What is your feeling in general after these 5 matches in the group stage?
I think we have played 2.5 good match, and then we, of course, our performance against Hungary, we weren't satisfied. Today it's much better. We show a lot of morale, and that pleases me, of course. I'm not calm against about meeting Sweden, but it makes me, of course, look a bit brighter on things.
Last question. What did you tell your players at halftime?
To take it easy.
Okay, more questions? Okay, have a nice evening.
For Montenegro, scored by player number 9, Vladimir Popovic.